Okay, so we're gonna test the Silk and Shine dressing from Chemical Guys. So let's try it on this one. So this is my dad's RAV4. So let's try it. So make sure you shake it. So I'm gonna use the applicator from Chemical Guys also. So let me spray it into the actual applicator. Make sure you shake it. I already shake this one out. Alright, so it's just I think I put too much. Yep, I put a lot in here. So let's just cover that. So this is dry to touch, so I just put excess in here. So make sure you cover. Put a lot. So I'll just clean this side now. Alright, so let me just stop there. Okay, so there you go, guys. So it's dry to touch really, but I just put a lot. I spray a lot on my applicator. So let me just have it dry up more in here, and let me just wipe the rest. No, let me just here. While waiting for it to dry, which I keep wiping it. Alright, so yep, so we're gonna wait for this to dry. Looks good. The reason why I use the applicator so that I can just apply it evenly. Alright, so now let's look at the difference. Can you see it? Alright, let me show you. If I can remove my camera from here. Okay. So if you can see it, so there you go. The difference is much better. So it's shiny, so I have to wipe the whole dash. So yep, I'll show you the finished product. Let me just wipe the whole thing. Okay, one moment, be right back.